Yo, yo. Yo, you the best plug, nah, you just a twin plug. For talking reckless, now I'm getting your ditch dog. Slow your roll or your faggot ass gon' get zipped up. Ebu Milan in them shop a lot, that shit cheap stuff. Sima, you ain't put shit on but the mini skirt. After losing some Biza, I can see that this kid is hurt. Nigga thought he got one, spitting a shitty verse. If that's what you callin' sick, I'm guessing it didn't work. This is an easy murk, cause I don't play fair. Your teenage is what is can't fear, so you better stand clear. Cause I'm a hospitalize you so we can see if people on the net care. I'm finna annihilate this boy's soul. I'll be damned if I let this non-creative control. I'll be speaking the crucial truth. You must be drunk on ciders if you think your fate is not gonna be brutal fruit. When you diss in the hood, I can't excuse that. The type of shit just makes me wanna move cats. Instead of beefing with me, the easiest option, choose death. Even you know I'm a true threat. Your track was lame if we being honest. On wax you think you the hardest, but in real life this kid modest. Got the stock and I'm blessing the target. Fuck your feminine mindset like R. Kelly, you trapped in the closet. Even you know you can never contest the skill. I'm the purest and I'll always protect the real. Hip-hop, so fall back and chill. This bitch Sima better focus on her little podcast and chill. I'm confirming kills, causing death for thrills. Fuck with the hate and you dead, you know that's the drill. Let the blood gon' spill, your corpse laying still. VW paint shop, I'll be spraying still. Now, why you starting shit with Elvis? That's cause it got you feeling threatened. Your attack was just a bitchy antic faggot. You the rap version of Sam Smith. I'm with the smoke, killing your name seems is proof compared to you, boy, your wife's hard. Let's see if she'll save you from the ocean like a lifeguard. Lifeguard, bitch ass, pussy ass nigga.